with PromptBuddy, the ultimate tool for AI prompts. The AI revolution is well underway, with tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 redefining how businesses, freelancers, and creators approach content and design. However, as the saying goes, a tool is only as good as its user. For AI tools, the secret to unlocking their full potential lies in crafting effective, high-quality prompts, a challenge PromptBuddy has set out to address. What is PromptBuddy? PromptBuddy is an all-in-one platform that simplifies creating, scaling, and selling AI prompts. Designed for diverse users, from beginners to seasoned professionals, it combines cutting-edge AI technology with user-friendly tools to create tailored prompts for ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3. With its preloaded library of 80,000-plus ready-to-sell prompts, bulk creation capabilities, and built-in e-commerce features, PromptBuddy offers a streamlined solution for anyone looking to profit from the growing demand for AI-generated content. Its robust feature set caters to freelancers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even complete newcomers to the AI space. Key features of PromptBuddy. 1. Advanced AI prompt generators. The core strength of PromptBuddy lies in its ability to generate highly specialized prompts for popular AI tools. Whether you're crafting marketing copy, creating AI art, or designing visuals, PromptBuddy delivers precise results with just a keyword or description. 2. Preloaded store of 80,000-plus prompts. Users can hit the ground running with an extensive library of prompts spanning various niches. This preloaded store eliminates the need to start from scratch, allowing users to monetize AI content immediately. 3. Bulk prompt creator. Scaling has never been easier. This feature enables users to create multiple variations of a single prompt, catering to different industries, use cases, or audience needs. 4. Custom prompt creation. For those with unique ideas or niche markets, PromptBuddy allows for seamless customization. Users can add personalized prompts to their store to target specific customer bases. 5. E-commerce integration. Selling prompts is effortless with integrated payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and direct bank transfers. Additionally, PromptBuddy's automated store setup ensures users can get started in minutes. 6. User-friendly dashboard. Managing prompts, tracking sales, and analyzing customer data are made simple with an intuitive interface designed for efficiency. 7. Zero hosting costs. Unlike other platforms, PromptBuddy includes free hosting and domain services, minimizing operational costs and maximizing profits. 8. DFY Blog Builder. The built-in blog creation tool leverages ChatGPT to generate fresh, engaging content, driving organic traffic to users' stores. Why PromptBuddy stands out. In a crowded market of AI tools and platforms, PromptBuddy distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive solution tailored to both novice users and experienced entrepreneurs. Its combination of preloaded prompts, advanced generation capabilities, and e-commerce functionality positions it as a must-have tool for anyone looking to capitalize on the booming AI economy. PromptBuddy's intuitive interface makes it accessible to users with little to no technical expertise, while its advanced features empower seasoned creators to scale their operations effortlessly. The addition of risk-free guarantees and step-by-step training ensures that even hesitant users can dive in confidently. Who can benefit from PromptBuddy? PromptBuddy caters to a wide range of users. Freelancers. Deliver precise outputs, expand service offerings, and boost earnings by creating tailored prompts for clients. The bulk prompt creator is particularly useful for targeting diverse industries. Small business owners. Add AI-generated prompts to existing product lines or explore entirely new revenue streams. PromptBuddy's preloaded store and automation features save time and resources. Digital creators. Monetize creativity by designing unique prompts for AI art and content. PromptBuddy provides tools to diversify revenue streams without additional technical overhead. Beginners. Enter the AI space with ease, leveraging preloaded prompts and step-by-step training to build a profitable business from scratch. Pros and cons of PromptBuddy. Pros. Extensive preloaded prompt library for instant selling. Advanced AI capabilities for precision and scalability. Seamless integration with payment platforms. Automated store setup eliminates technical barriers. Free hosting and domain services reduce startup costs. Cons. limited to AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3, though these are among the most popular. While intuitive, users may still face a learning curve when customizing prompts. Why AI prompts are the next big opportunity. The global AI tools market is expected to grow from $184 billion in 2024 to over $826 billion by 2030, driven by increasing adoption in content creation, marketing, and design. Prompts are the cornerstone of this growth, as they dictate the quality and relevance of AI outputs. PromptBuddy taps into this massive opportunity by simplifying prompt creation and providing users with tools to monetize their efforts effectively. With over 100,000 monthly searches for AI prompts, the demand is undeniable, and PromptBuddy positions its users to meet this need head-on. User testimonials. PromptBuddy has garnered praise from users worldwide, including freelancers, small business owners, and digital creators. Here's what they have to say. PromptBuddy has transformed my workflow. It saves me hours of trial and error, and my clients have noticed the improvement in quality. Goran Olson's small business owner. The preloaded store made it easy to get started. The bulk prompt creator has helped me scale my offerings and meet customer needs effortlessly. Kaz Marketing. The ability to create unique art prompts for MidJourney has been a game changer. PromptBuddy is intuitive and powerful. Conclusion: is PromptBuddy worth it? For anyone looking to capitalize on the AI revolution, PromptBuddy is an invaluable tool. Its comprehensive feature set, ease of use, and scalability make it a standout solution for creating, scaling, and selling AI prompts. Whether you're a freelancer aiming to enhance your services or a beginner exploring new income streams, PromptBuddy provides everything you need to succeed. With a one-time investment and zero ongoing costs, PromptBuddy offers exceptional value. Its 30-day risk-free guarantee further sweetens the deal, making it an easy choice for those ready to dive into the world of AI-powered content and design. Act now and unlock the full potential of PromptBuddy before the market becomes saturated. Don't miss this opportunity to lead in the booming AI prompt economy.